everyone! Today I am at the Unique Nimman building 2. I'm going to show you the units that is very nice and lovely unit. The size is about 49 square meter, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. This unique condominium is located in Nimman area. It's very convenient to get around. It's close to the restaurant, the cafe, and the shopping mall. So let's go and have a look. Follow me. So now you are inside the apartments. So once you walk in, what I noticed is that this is a screen. When you have a guest come over waiting for you in the lobby, they will ring it to your room, and then you can talk and chat with your friend, even like lift them up without you going downstairs. And here is the refrigerator. It's a black color that is matching with the kitchen top. This is look like minimal style that is white and contrast with what is say like black and white kitchen top. It look really nice. And right behind me, this is where they keep some the boiler for using in this apartment, and also some space for store some cleaning stuff. And the sink, I really like this kitchen. It's very like how to say excellent fish Western kitchen style, because it had got this built-in electric stove with extractor fans and the ovens. Not just that, very rare to find dishwasher in Chiang Mai condominium. Really love it. And here is a drawer for keeping some dry food, or this is where the owner have used it for store some shoe or stuff. And next to this one, this is a dining area that includes built-in lift to extend and built-in storage drawer. Very excellent. For the living area, what I love about it that I'm going to show you next is that this sofa can extend to the bed. And for this one, you can store some stuff. All you do is just lift it up and put all the stuff in there. Make your room look more tidy. And for the coffee table, you can just open it up to store some stuff like this. Room look more tidy. And next to this one, here is a working deck area that is come with a very nice chair. And for the television, I think it's around about 55 inches. This unit, the size is about 49 square meter. It looks really big because it's got big window like this that will allow to get the lights in, and also it's got the screen, got the handle that really easy to use. This unit had got 2 air conditioner and also got 2 ceiling fan like this. It looks really modern. And for the bedroom, you will see this glass sliding door like this. It will allow to get the lights in the room, but you cannot see the other people on the other side. And next to this one, what I like about is that this room is leading to the balcony where you can hang the clothes, and also the owner have added the washing machine on the balcony and put this one up to make it much more tidy, so you cannot see the compressor or the washing machine. And in this bedroom, you will got this drawer hanging on the wall and bedside table. And what's special about this bedroom is that this is a Murphy bed. So when you need to use the bed, you just bring the bed down that is hang from the wall. And when you don't need the bed, you just lift it up. It will allow to have more space for the other multi-purpose. And for the furniture, it's matching with the furniture in this room. Look at this wardrobe, it looks really nice. This cabinet, the drawer to store some stuff, even like this one, they look really nice and matching with the furniture in the room. And for this one, I really like this corner because the owner have decided to use every single square meter, very useful. So this bed, you can just leave it up when you don't need it, but if you have some friend come stay over, or if you have a little children, a kid, then you can just set this up as a bed. And also got this white open drawer to store some stuff. Look how cute they are. And here is the storage that is above the bed. It's really nice. And for the bathroom, it's really modern bathroom that it has separate wet and dry bathroom, come with the shower, with a rain shower, the bathtub, and also the electric toilet. This unique condominium has got many facilities, including the swimming pool, the fitness center, a steam room, 24-hour security, and for the parking lot, you can either park under the building or underground of the building. So that's it for today. If you would like to have a look at this unit, please call me at this number or comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. See you next time. Bye!